If you're on the hunt for the best beginner golf irons, this video is for you. After testing countless options, we've identified the top 5 beginner golf irons for 2024, focusing on ease of use, forgiveness, and how they can help you improve your game. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current set, these irons will give you the confidence and performance boost you need on the course. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to keep watching until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, all the links to find the best prices for the products in this video are in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's check out the amazing Pasa Golf iron set for right-handed players. I've been testing these for a few weeks, and I've got to say, they're pretty solid for beginners. The cavity-back design really helps if you're still working on your consistency. I noticed it's much easier to get decent shots even when you don't hit the ball perfectly. What I really like about these irons is the 3-stage tungsten weighting system. It's not just marketing talk. You can actually feel how it helps with ball speed and control. When you're just starting out, this kind of forgiveness can make a huge difference in enjoying your time on the course. The feel of these clubs is really nice too. They've got this ultra-thin face that gives you good feedback without those annoying vibrations that can mess with your confidence. I particularly noticed this when practicing at the driving range. Each hit feels clean and controlled. One thing that really impressed me was the sweet spot. It's pretty forgiving, which means even if you don't hit the ball dead center, and let's be honest, who does every time, you can still get decent results. The deep grooves help with spin control, so your shots tend to stay straighter. They've built these with high-strength stainless steel and some lightweight polymers, so they feel sturdy without being too heavy. The regular flex step steel shaft works well for most players, though I should mention it might feel a bit on the heavier side if you're used to lighter clubs. Now for the downsides, and there are a few. If you're left-handed, you're out of luck with these. Also, you can't customize the shaft flex or length, which might be an issue if you need something specific for your swing. Price-wise, these offer good value for what you get. I've seen beginners make real progress with these clubs, and the build quality suggests they'll last a while. If you want to check them out yourself, I've put a link in the description below with all the details. The TaylorMade Sim 2 Max irons have been on my radar for a while now, and they've definitely made a strong impression. If you're finding it tough to achieve good distance and forgiveness, these irons could be a game changer. The key feature here is the CAP back design, which merges stainless steel with lightweight polymers. This innovation effectively lowers the center of gravity, enhancing both distance and forgiveness, even on those less than perfect swings. One aspect I particularly appreciate is the fast forgiving face. In practical terms, it helps elevate the ball more easily and add some extra distance to your shots, ideal if you often find yourself falling short. The echo damping system is another noteworthy addition, giving these irons a feel akin to premium forged clubs by minimizing the harsh vibrations that can plague other irons. Aesthetically, these clubs are quite appealing, with their sleek lines and contemporary design, making them a stylish addition to your golf bag. However, let's address the obvious. They come with a hefty price tag. While I believe the technology justifies the cost, it's an important factor to weigh before making a purchase. It's worth mentioning that there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're transitioning from older clubs. It took me a few rounds to really get a handle on my distances. Nonetheless, the through-slot speed pocket is a great feature for those times when your contact isn't perfect, which happens to everyone. In summary, the Sim 2 Max irons are packed with advanced technology and deliver impressive performance on the course. They are indeed on the expensive side, but if you're serious about investing in your game and want a set that will help you improve, these are definitely worth considering. I've included a link in the description if you want to explore the specs and current pricing further. Let's dive into the BOMTech Golf Iron Set 4.0. This set has been catching the eye of many novice golfers recently. These irons are incredibly forgiving, making them perfect for those inevitable mishits when you're just starting out. This is largely due to their perimeter weighting and additional mass distribution, which can really boost your confidence as you learn the ropes. What stands out about these clubs is their 431 stainless steel build, paired with stepless steel shafts. They offer a solid feel typically associated with pricier sets, allowing you to hone your swing without breaking the bank. Bomb Tech has taken a clever approach by eliminating the middleman and skipping costly professional endorsements, which keeps the price point attractive while maintaining quality. This is a significant advantage for beginners who might be hesitant to make a large investment. However, there are a couple drawbacks to note. The grips may not be the most long-lasting, so you might find yourself needing replacements sooner than anticipated. Additionally, if you're already at an intermediate or advanced level, these irons might feel a bit too basic for your liking. A feature that really shines is the undercut cavity design, which shifts the center of gravity backward. This makes it easier to launch the ball into the air from various lies, a handy trait when you're still learning the game. In conclusion, the Bomb Tech Golf Iron Set 4.0 is a fantastic option for those new to golf or looking to upgrade from rental clubs. Without a hefty price tag, the value for money is impressive, and the performance can certainly help elevate your game. Check out the link in the description if you're interested in exploring these irons further. Introducing the PGF Golf Irons 4 through PW Standard, a set that has truly impressed me during my testing, particularly for those new to the game. If you're struggling with consistency or feel your current irons aren't delivering, these could be the solution you're looking for. The craftsmanship of these irons is commendable. Constructed from S20C stainless steel, they offer a satisfying feel and durability that should serve you well over time. The precision of the machine-cut face and grooves enhances accuracy, and you can genuinely sense the difference when playing. One standout feature of these irons is their design, with a shorter blade length and a slimmer sole. They allow for better ball manipulation and shot control. The smart weight distribution aids in launching the ball higher and achieving greater distance, addressing a common challenge for beginners. These irons are particularly forgiving for novice golfers. The grip remains comfortable and secure, even in damp conditions. However, a notable drawback is their availability only for right-handed players, which is unfortunate for left-handed golfers. Transitioning from another set might require a few rounds to adjust, but it's worth persevering. I've witnessed players significantly enhance their game once they become accustomed to these irons. The adjustment period is a small price to pay for the improved control they offer. In terms of value, these irons are a great investment, while they don't include drivers. If your focus is on enhancing your iron play without breaking the bank, they're definitely worth considering. I've included a link in the description for you to explore the specifications and see if they align with your needs. Let's take a closer look at the Roxor Golf RXR Steel Shaft Iron Set. After spending several weeks testing these clubs, I find them to be a compelling choice for beginners or those aiming to enhance their skills without breaking the bank. The standout feature is the robust blade design, which exudes a clean and straightforward aesthetic, highlighted by a slim top line. For newcomers to golf, having clubs that inspire confidence at address is crucial, and these irons certainly achieve that. A notable aspect is the mid-split muscle design, which isn't just for show. It genuinely aids in launching the ball higher. I tried these irons on both the fairway and in some rough patches, and the lower center of gravity significantly helps in achieving impressive shot height. The Pro Velvet Grip is a practical addition. I played a few rounds in light rain, and the grip performed admirably, and no slipping or discomfort. While it might not be the most luxurious grip available, it is comfortable and effective. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The shafts lack a brand name, which might be a concern for some. This can also be slightly inconvenient when quickly selecting the right club from your bag. Additionally, since Roxor is a smaller company, there might be delays if they run out of stock. Despite these minor issues, the value proposition is strong. You're getting performance comparable to clubs that are twice the price. Plus, knowing that they're hand-assembled in Ohio by skilled craftsmen adds a personal touch. In summary, if you're seeking reliable performance without a hefty price tag, the Roxor Golf RXR Iron Set is worth exploring. They may not carry a big brand name, but they excel where it matters, on the course. Check out the link in the description to learn more about these irons.